Come.
If you know you can't
Don't spare anybody.
step out.
Hey, listen. Yes, good morning. Come. Have you paid your fees? All.
Yes, sir.
I will come back from lunch today.
Sir, when you send my daughter from school?
Yes, of course. You're only in school for 3 good days.
Daddy, is it true?
Yes.
But that education is not free now.
Continue.
Daniela, will you shut up? What do you know? Sir, please, you know I'm a pensioner. Please, I will pay. Can't you consider me just for this step?
You only you waka come. She has already told you that education is not for free. Child. Go home to your daughter. Go.
Better, please adopt me. Let me continue my education.
Jesus is Lord.
I should adopt you. Meanwhile, your father is a chronic taker. I don't want some blood to be injected into my family blood.
Apostle will hear of this.
Let her go.
Daddy, since you can't pay my school fees, I won't be writing for you again.
Daniela, please, I'll pay you. Daniela, don't forget. For the father.
Please subscribe to the Rich Comedy House. All right, see you next Sunday. Now let's say she's 1, 2, ready, go. Cheers.